Tayo po kayo, tayo po kayo.
Kan mo upo eh. Kan mo upo.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Are you now ready, Maribel and Claricel? May you all be seated? So I have gone over the documents of Mariel and Claricel. What is your nickname, Mariel? Mar? Bats. Bats. Okay. And Claricel, what's your nickname? Zell, Baz and Zell. Okay. So I have done over the documents of both of you for Baz and Zell. As such, I found that they are in order. And now we can proceed with the wedding ceremony. So Baz and Zell, you are here today to seal your love with an eternal bond before this court. May the community pour their abundant blessings on your love and help you to carry the duties of the married state. And you, dear sponsors, parents, brothers, sisters, relatives, and friends of Baz and Zell, may I ask you to help them as a new couple in our community and in the community of men everywhere. Their marriage, which we will witness today, will confirm their union to one another. Before I proceed, may I ask the gentlemen here, can you please remove your shades? I'm sorry that you're inside the courtroom. We all have protocols to follow. No? The exception is when you are not inside the court transacting business. Okay? So with that, please bear with us. We have our office rules to follow and protocols to follow. So at this juncture, may I ask the sponsors to please stand. Where are the other sponsors? I guess you have 4 here. Four dance. Parents?
Ante po kasi. Ante. Ninang. Ante. Tapos ninang and ninang.
Only the ninang.
Ninang and ninang.
Ninang and ninang lang po. Sino ang ninang at ninang?
Ninang ano po? Ninang din po. Ay, ninang din.
Ninang po kayo.
Sabi niya.
We have Doctora who arrived first here.